Okay, so this is just a quick review of interpreting statistics. So that's looking at confidence level, confidence interval, and how we can apply that to sort of real world numbers. Okay, so here we have an example that's ongoing right now regarding the election. And in class, we talked about how they do this and sort of how they get into this. So I'm just going to zoom in so we can see the pertinent information. Okay, so looking here, we can see that we have, it tells us how we get the survey, and then at the bottom is the important part, which is that we have the margin of error is 2.8 percentage points, and that is accurate 19 times out of 20. Also, for our example, we'll just use the NDP, which their number is 20.7, which you can see there by the little orange dot, 20.7%. Okay, so first the confidence level is again how accurate they think it's going to be. So that it's that 19 times out of 20, and we express it as a percent. So if we have 19 times out of 20, that's 95%. Next, we want to go for our confidence interval. So our confidence interval is taking the average that they've given us and then adding and subtracting the margin of error. So we're using 20.7, and the margin of error was give or take 2.8%. Okay, so again, we've got our 20.7, which is like the value that they've given us. And then we're subtracting that 2.8 percentage points and adding that 2.8 percentage points, which gives us a confidence interval of 17.9% to 23.5%. And then we want to apply that to the situation. So if we have, say, around 27 million voters in Canada, how many of them could we expect to vote for the NDP? So remember, we're going to take our percents and write them in decimal form. And then we're going to multiply by, again, we'll say approximately 27 million. Okay, so we multiply that out and we get a range of 4,833,000 to 6,345,000. So in summary, we are 95% confident that between 4.8 and 6.3 million people will vote for the NDP.